Can you do an introduction for my YouTube video?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Let's send a message to Andrea.
The message has been sent to Andrea.
Oh my God. Are you ready for what the future holds? But that future might be much closer than we think. This is the most exciting AI assistant I have seen till now. And this is a great example of what's here and what's coming very, very soon. In this video, I'm going to prepare you for exactly what's coming and how you can use this technology to have incredible superpowers.
Hey, Eleven.
Good morning, Jay.
When's my first meeting?
It's in 5 minutes.
Yes, this is 11AI by ElevenLabs. 11Labs is one of the best tools for text-to-speech, TTS. 11Labs voices sound incredibly natural. You can also clone your voice where your wife doesn't even know if it's you or not. That happened to me. 11Labs is the company behind 11AI. I'll do another video just about 11Labs because they have some really cool tools on 11Labs platform. But today, I'm mind-blown by this, so I really wanted to record this video to show you. Please support by subscribing, sharing with friends, colleagues, and family. I'm here to help you love and not fear AI. Turn on your notifications, give a like to this video, and come on the comments and ask questions. I love to answer all of them. All right, let's go. So you need an account with them. You can sign up. It is free for now. It's experimental still, but here we are. I will access it with my account, and we are logged in to 11AI. You can choose the name that you want. I went with 11 because it reminds me of Stranger Things.
Cool.
Let's just test something.
Hey there, Tim. Got something I can handle for you?
That is my own voice. Uh-oh, that's freaky.
Oh, it can definitely feel a bit surreal hearing your own voice played back like that. It's like looking in a mirror and seeing yourself, but with sound instead of sight. Pretty cool though, right?
Yeah, well, can you do an introduction for my YouTube video?
I'd love to help with that. To make sure it's perfect for your video, could you tell me a little more about what your YouTube video is about?
My YouTube video is about 11.ai.
Ah, a video about 11.ai, how fitting. I can certainly help you craft a warm and engaging intro for that. How about something like, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 11.ai, exploring how it's changing the soundscape.
Well, incredible. Thank you very much. It's very creepy to speak to myself, so I'm going to change that. By the way, I recorded my own voice in 11Labs so that I can do some voiceovers. Let's switch to a voice that I would feel a bit more comfortable speaking to, so I don't seem crazy. You can go to the agent settings on the right top. Here I had my own voice ready, Tim, but let's change to agent language, English. I'm not going to add any custom behavior, but I'm going to do something a bit cooler. This is for now just a voice agent that can't take any actions or do anything. So let's come in here to integrations. We're gonna add an integration. I'm going to add my Google Calendar, my Notion, there's Slack, Perplexity. Also add Hacker News. I don't have a linear. I'll have these. I think I need to log into these. Okay, do you need to connect Hacker News? Let's see. We'll click connect. Okay, that's done. You can test the connection. Connected. That's cool. Let's see if I can make sure. Oh, what happened to the other integrations? Let's add them again. Let's make sure our Notion is integrated. It's going to send me to my login for my Notion. I'm going to change that to my company one. I'm going to select pages. I'm going to do all. Yes, fine. Cool. As you can see, we already have Hacker News and Notion. I'm going to add a few more integrations. I'm going to add my Google Calendar. Let's save, add integration. Let's add Slack. Save that. And then we have to log in for our Perplexity. Let's connect. Okay, that also worked. That's good. And what else do we have? That's about it. You can change the colors. I'm going to change it to something cool that I like. All right, that's going to be our orange. And then I'm going to do AI blue. Cool, I got my colors. All right, the speed sounds good. No custom behavior. Let's save changes. All right, here we are again with some superpowers. We have Slack, Google Calendar, Hacker News, Notion, and Perplexity. Let's start this call again.
Good afternoon, Tim. 11 here, ready when you are.
Hi, good afternoon, 11. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Tim. Thank you for asking. It's a beautiful day to be helpful. What can I do for you today?
Well, I'd love to know, what do I have on my calendar tomorrow? Can you summarize my day for tomorrow?
I can certainly do that for you, Tim. I'll check your calendar and summarize your day for tomorrow, July 1st. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
For now, no.
All right, Tim. Tomorrow, July 1st, you have home all day and Nuja 𝐂𝐴�AI operator on boarding call from 11 to 11:45. Q3 planning from 12 to 1:30. LinkedIn carousel automation from 3 to 4. And newsletter automation test from 4 to 5. Anything else you need?
Is there anything else on my calendar for tomorrow?
My apologies, Tim. I should have been more clear. I meant to ask if there was anything else I could help you with.
You missed an event at 6:30.
I am very sorry about that, Tim. You are absolutely right. I missed the AI automations. Tim Cakir Man event scheduled for today, June 30th at 8:30 p.m. I am still under development, and I appreciate you pointing out my mistake. I will strive to do better in the future. Would you like me to add that to your calendar for tomorrow as well? Or were you just pointing out my error?
I was pointing out your error because you missed stuff for tomorrow. Can you add to my calendar at 2 p.m. Turkish time, put a time block for 1 hour for me to prepare for my training session?
No problem, Tim. I will add an event to your calendar for tomorrow, July 1st, at 2 p.m. Turkish time, for 1 hour to prepare for your training session. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's it for now.
Perfect, Tim. I've added prepare for training session to your calendar tomorrow, July 1st, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Turkish time. Anything else I can assist with?
Oh my God, that meeting was added to my calendar. Prepare for a training session from 2 to 3 p.m. Wow, this is really cool. Hi, Eleven. I'm curious if I received any Slack messages today.
All right, I can help you with that. To check your Slack messages from today, I'll need to use the Slack search tool. What query would you like to use? For example, I can search for all messages or messages from a specific personal channel.
Well, check if I received any messages from 𝐂𝐨𝐵 or Andrea.
Okay, I can search for messages from 𝐂𝐨𝐵 or Andrea. Would you like me to search for messages from both of them in all channels and direct messages? Or would you like to specify a particular channel?
No, that's fine. All channels and DMs.
Okay, Tim, I found several messages from 𝐂𝐨𝐵. 𝐂𝐵𝐵 sent you messages in direct messages and in the website, Nubis AI 𝐂𝐿, content, automation, internal, general, and learning channels. I didn't find any messages from Andrea. Would you like me to narrow the search or provide you with any specific messages?
Well, no, let's send a message to Andrea.
Sure, what message would you like to send to Andrea?
Hey, Andrea, this is Eleven, Tim's voice assistant. I haven't had a message from you today. I miss you.
It seems like I wasn't able to send the message to Andrea. Because the user was not found, I might have the wrong user ID. Do you happen to know Andrea's user ID? Alternatively, I can try searching for Andrea to confirm the correct user ID.
Could you search for Andrea? Is Andrea with double E, so is ANDREEA at aioperator.com is her email address.
Okay, I have the list of users. It seems the correct user ID for Andrea, whose username is Andrea777, is U08L458DLEM. Would you like me to send the message to this user ID?
Yes, please.
Great. The message has been sent to Andrea. Is there anything else I can help you with right now?
Oh my God. I just checked my Slack and yes, the message is there. Let's see what Andrea is going to say. She just said, lol, this is awesome. And she just answered, I'm loving this thing. All right, cool. Let's try a few more things.
Good evening, Tim. What adventure are we starting today?
Can you check for the latest and greatest AI news from yesterday and today on Hacker News?
All right, I can do that for you. I'll check Hacker News for the latest AI news from yesterday, June 29th, and today, June 30th. I'll use the Ask, Show, New, and Top Story types to make sure I get a good range of stories. Give me a moment, this might take a few seconds. Okay, I've gathered the latest stories from Hacker News. It seems like there's a lot happening. Here's a summary of some of the AI-related news. Token Dagger, a tokener that claims to be faster than OpenAI's TikToken. AI image alt text generation tool, a tool that uses AI to turn images into text. Bloom Pilot, an AI-powered overlay for the Bloomberg terminal. Magnitude, an open-source AI browser automation framework. Why AI will eat McKinsey's lunch, an article discussing the potential impact of AI on consulting firms. Tool calling with local large language models, a practical evaluation of using local LLMs for...
I love this. Can you put these all in bullet points and send it to the channel called Content inside my Slack?
I'm glad you like it. I can definitely put those stories into bullet points. However, I need the channel ID for the content channel in your Slack workspace to send the message. Would you mind providing that so I can complete your request?
Could you search for it? I'm not sure I know the ID.
Sure thing. I can search for the channel ID for content for you. One moment. It seems I'm unable to retrieve the channel ID for the content channel directly.
Okay, I have the ID. It's 𝐂𝐤𝐴17V9ESTU.
Got it? I'll send the bullet-pointed summary of the AI news to the Slack channel with the ID 𝐂𝐤𝐴17V9STU. Alright, the message has been sent to the content channel in Slack.
Let's check out our Slack. And here we are. Here's a summary of the AI-related news from Hacker News inside my content channel in our Slack. Wow. As you've just seen, it is incredible. With 11 AI, you're able to send Slack messages, look at the latest news, take those and summarize them, add it into a content channel, send messages to people, see your calendar for tomorrow, add events on your calendar. You could do the same things with your Notion, find documents, talk about the documents, create new documents. Same with Perplexity, you can do searches, and there is much more. Because it does have custom MCP servers, you can tap into almost anything. I could add the Zapier MCP and do a lot more. I have my MCP video somewhere here. Check that one out. But this with 11 AI is literally what I've been waiting for. Imagine that you could be walking with your AirPods on, speaking to 11, getting a lot of tasks done on your morning walk. Imagine wherever you are and you get creative, you can speak to an AI assistant with natural language, with a really nice conversational tone, and it has integrations to all of your business tools. This is the dream come true for founders, entrepreneurs, and just anyone doing business. I am super excited about this. This is definitely going in my tool stack. I know it's still in beta, it's still experimental, but very soon we will have these assistants working for us 24/7. AI is super exciting, and I just shown you why it is super exciting. Subscribe to my channel for more of these demos to understand how to use AI for your business, to understand how to use AI to be more productive, do less of the boring work, and focus on the things that you love to do. We should love every day, love our jobs, love our tasks, and not fear them. And AI is the best partner for this. Give a like to this video and comment on how would you use 11 AI for your business. Sharing is caring. Make sure to invite others to my channel. It's always going to be free content just to help you do better with AI. Thank you, everybody. See you in the next video.